Hello, everybody. There's a lot of really good news today. First of all, the stock market broke out of the range. It opened above the range that we've been talking about, and it stayed up there all day. Again, the range is important. So it's been 13 trading days. We've been going at the same place. And so, for example, if you bought a stock at $15 and it went to 20, and then it came back down to 15, because of your success, you might want to buy it again. Well, the longer it stays in one place, there might have been millions of shares that were purchased at 15, and that creates a lot of people that might be interested in repurchasing it. So that happened today. And Dr. Fauci had a press conference today talking about a drug called remdesivir, and they've had some positive results. He talked about it, how it's blocking the virus. People are staying in the hospital for shorter periods of time. He feels it's something they can build off of and add other drugs to try to make a cure, or at least a series of really good treatments. So we'll see where that goes, but that was positive news that the market liked today. And then the Federal Reserve met and kept interest rates at 0% and came out with a statement saying that they were going to fight for the economy. So those are important. So that just means that, that does help the stock market. And then Microsoft, after hours, and Microsoft's one of our bigger positions, said that they had a 15% increase in revenues in this quarter versus the first quarter last year. And the CEO mentioned that they've had 2 years worth of digital transformation in the last 2 months. This really fits in with the theme that we've been talking about, was how has this world changed? How is it going to change? And where do we want to invest for that change? And so that's where our portfolios are right now. We are positioned for this change. So I'm excited for that, and so hopefully it continues to go. We'll continue to look at this. This is an important development. I want to thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.